man from man, and man isn't independent from woman in the Lord. As woman came from a man, so also man comes from a woman. 1 Corinthians chapter 11, verse 11 to 12. An excerpt from the 1993 hip-hop and rap song Keep Your Head Up by Tupac Shakur reads as follows. Since we all came from a woman, got our name from a woman, and our game from a woman, I wonder why we take from our women, why we rape our women. Do we hate our women?
Beautiful story for the papers, isn't it? War veteran kidnapped by war veteran from the beyond.
If I ever meet this girl as a man, sure.
Two quotes, viewed as worlds apart, acknowledges the rhetoric of an unbreakable bond between both sexes. Yet, throughout the course of history, women have faced abuse and discrimination by men. Things are not okay as they stand. Hurt people, but that doesn't make it okay. That doesn't mean as everyday society, we should view something that has been normalized as normal. In acknowledgement of International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women, PBCJ wants to facilitate the conversation of moving forward with purpose rather than potential. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is In Times Past.